In this video, we're going to go ahead and set up a site plan analysis with the Rayon template right here. By the way, Rayon is a web-based architecture tool that lets you design, draw, and collaborate with people online without actually having to download anything and without having to learn heavy software. So as you can see right here, we do have ready-to-use blocks or templates that we can basically drag and drop right onto our site plan. I'm going to show you exactly how we can utilize each and every single one of these in order to create a site plan that looks great without having to use Photoshop, Illustrator, or any other tools that all us architects have used prior to Rayon coming out. So let's start with the most basic one. I think every single site analysis has some sort of sun direction or light analysis. So we can even choose this, which shows all the points of the sun during different seasons or angles, or we can choose one of these. So for example, in that instance, let me just choose this one. I'm going to go ahead and I can just hold the Alt key and drop this on top of our site plan. I'm going to right click and press on the arrange, and we're going to say bring in front of a layer. Then we can just place this right on top of our site, increase it in height to something like this, and now we have an idea of where the sun comes from. Obviously, if you want to, we can stylize this, for example, to not look red, but instead we can edit the style. So for example, the stroke can look, I guess, orange, and we can basically change all of these to look like that, right? So now this looks orange instead of red, if that's something that you want to, have a bit more of a symbolic meaning of the sun. So then we can also drag and drop the wind analysis. So for example, if there's wind that comes from this side, usually we can just drag and drop this over here. Let's just rotate it like this, or just make this smaller. And it's all super easy because we do not have to draw any of these manually. If you want to get access to this Rayon template, by the way, you can just click the first link below. And then we can continue with the rest of the stuff, which is, for example, the noise analysis. So we can just drag and drop this. We can say that there's usually noise coming in from this building. We can just arrange this to come to the front of the layer, and we can just leave it like that. So that would be the noise analysis from that side. And then we can add more from this side as well, if that's the case with our site. Then we can add more stuff like the bus station. So this is a bus station symbol. We can add this right here. Then we can add some sort of store or market. We can also go ahead and add the parking symbol, for example, in this area. This can show that there is a university right here. And then obviously we have all of these different tree symbols that we can add, for example, in this park, or even more stuff like this. Then if you want to, we can also add some sort of grass texture. So we can select all of these areas and we can add grass if we want to make it clearer where there is vegetation or where there is a car road or anything like that. So for example, let's just select some of these areas, and then we're gonna go ahead, click right here on the fill. We can go at texture. You can go right here at texture. We can choose the grass texture, and obviously we can go ahead and then make the opacity a bit lower. That way it is lighter and does not get that much attention. And this is how we can show where there is greenery and where there is not. We can also select the roads like this, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the textures once again. We can scroll downwards and we can find this light asphalt PNG pattern. We're gonna click on the opacity. We can lower it even more once again. That way it is not as heavy. As you can see, it's slowly coming along. And now we have a site analysis which shows pretty clearly where there is vegetation, where there is trees, where there is road, and where there's bus stations and everything around. So it is super easy to do this inside Rayon. Now, one more thing that we can do as well is that if we select this tree, we're gonna go ahead and change its style from the fill. So this can be some dark gray style for something like this, and then we can lower the opacity just a little bit. So these can be the trees, and this is pretty much how easy this whole thing is. And this is how easy the whole process is. And basically you can even divide them to, show more particular stuff like the existing plans, topography, access points, sun direction, views from the site, wind direction, circulation, noise distractions, existing structures, and everything else, which is super useful. And you can even do this with a larger map or site. All of this can be done inside Rayon, which also has all of these templates for any type of project out there that you can create a lot faster than with traditional software. It's all on the web. You do not need to download anything. You can invite people online to work on the same file at the same time, and it is fast and simple without requiring to learn any heavy software. So if you want to test this out, you can try the template in the first link below. And if you want to see more of my videos with Rayon, go ahead and watch the video right here.